This is double land box filling system. You can see there are 2 discharge outlets. That means it can fill 2 boxes at one time. And we use the multi-tank layer to counting and weighing the materials. And before the weigher is the inclined bell conveyor, and this is the box opening machine. It's open the box automatically, and after the box is full of material, it will pass to the box closing machine, and then the box will fill into the big carton. After the carton is full of boxes, it will come to the sealing, strapping, and if you need to labeling the carton, we have the options machine for that. Okay, that is the whole set of box filling system.